Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, in straight line chapter, we finished different forms of straight line and we'll start a few problems also. Okay. Now I am continuing this chapter. In this next question, find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line which makes intercepts -3 and 2 on the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Solution. So the given intercepts -3 and 2, given that x intercept is equal to -3. X intercept is denoted with small a, that is -3. Next, given that y intercept is equal to 2. Y intercept is denoted by small b, that is equal to 2. We need to find equation of straight line. Equation of straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to what? This is formula for equation of straight line if you know x intercept and y intercept. A value is -3, b value is 2, substitute. Then x by -3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Now cross multiply. I will take the LCM. LCM is -6. Okay. Now here 2 into x, 2x, -3 into y, -3y is equal to 1. Now cross multiply here. 2x minus 3y is equal to -6. Then -6 come to this side plus 6. Therefore, the answer 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is required equation of straight line. Next, find the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 4 units. 4 units. And the angle which the normal makes with positive direction of x-axis, with positive direction of x-axis is 15 degrees is 15 degrees. See, listen, based on the given data, I will draw a diagram. Find the equation of straight line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 4 units. First, you draw a coordinate axis, x axis, and this is y axis, and this is origin. You take any straight line, this is straight line. Now, the perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line is 4 units. From origin, you draw a perpendicular distance. This is A, and this is B, and this is C. This distance is already given how much? 4 units. And the angle which the normal makes with positive direction of x axis 15. Normal means this line is called normal. This normal makes angle with positive direction of x axis, that is 15. Okay, now given that this normal length is called P, that equals to 4, and the angle is called alpha, that is 15. So, you know the length of perpendicular and you know the angle. Now, I am applying normal form. Therefore, equation of straight line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. This is formula for equation of straight line in which form? Normal form. P value already we know 4. Alpha value is 15. Substitute, then x cos 15 degrees plus y sin 15 degrees. X cos 15 degrees plus y sin 15 degrees is equal to 4. We know the value of cos 15 and sin 15 in trigonometry chapter. Cos 15 value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root plus y into sin 15 value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root is equal to 4. Now, I take the LCM. 2 root 2 is LCM, because here 2 root 2 is there, here 2 root 2 is there, 2 root 2 is the LCM. Now, what is remaining? Root 3 plus 1 into x, root 3 plus 1 into x. Next, root 3 minus 1 into y, root 3 minus 1 into y is equal to 4. Now, cross multiply. Root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3 minus 1 into y is equal to 4 into 2 root 2, that is nothing but 8 root 2. This is the required equation of straight line. Okay. Next. So, these are the example problems. Later I will start exercise. Dear students, listen the class carefully, and as usual you need to write each and everything, question, answer, definition, everyone in your PU notes. Okay. Okay. Coming to the next question. The Fahrenheit temperature, F and absolute temperature K. Fahrenheit temperature is F and absolute temperature K. Satisfy a linear equation. Linear equation is nothing but straight line. Given that K equals to 273 when F is equal to 32 and K equals to 373 when F is equal to 212. Express K in terms of F and find the value of F and find the value of F when K equals to 0. When K equals to 0. Okay, this is a question. First, you need to convert the given data into points. The first K is how much? 273. F is how much? 32. Now 273 comma 32. This can be written as K1 F1. Generally, we are taking point is x1 y1. Why? Because x and y are variable, but here variables are K and F. That's why I took the point is K1 F1. Next, second, 373 comma 212. This can be written as K2 comma F2. Understood what I did? First, you need to convert the given data into point form, coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2. Similarly, K1 F1, K2 F2. So finally, you know how many points? 2 points. Therefore, equation of line, that is linear equation. What is 2-point form formula? Y minus y1, F minus F1 by y2 minus y1, F2 minus F1. Next, x minus x1, K minus K1 by x2 minus x1, K2 minus K1. Okay. Now substitute. That implies F minus F1 is nothing but 32 by F2 minus F1, 212 minus 32, that is nothing but 180. Next, K minus K1 is nothing but 273 by K2 minus K1, 373 minus 273, that is nothing but 100. So here 0, 0 cancel. Now here 10 is there, here 18 is there. You can cancel. 2 5 just 10, 2 9 just 18. Okay. Now send this 5 this side. Then 5 by 9 into F minus 32 is equal to K minus 273. But we require express K in terms of F. You send minus 273 this side. Then 5 by 9 into f minus 32 plus 273 is equal to k. This is the expression, the value of k in terms of f. Okay. Now continuation. Find the value of f when k equals to 0. If k equals to 0, substitute here 5 by 9 into f minus 32 plus 273 is equal to 0. You send 273 that side. 5 by 9 into f minus 32 is equal to minus 273. Again send 5 by 9 that side. Then f minus 32 is equal to minus 273 into 5 by 9 come to this side, it becomes 9 by 5. Okay. Next, again you send minus 32 that side. F is equal to 32 minus. Here any cancellation? No cancellation. 273 into 9 by 5. So this is the value of f. If you simplify, you will get answer minus 459.4. So if you simplify, you will get minus 459.4 is a correct answer. Okay. Next, we will start exercise 10.2. In 10.2, we gave some questions homework, then remaining questions I will explain. First question, write the equations, for x-axis and y-axis. Write the equations for x-axis and y-axis. Simple. Already we discussed. Solution. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Similarly, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So this is equation of x-axis and y-axis. This is the first question. Already second question I gave homework. Third question I gave homework. Now I will explain fourth question. In fourth question they given find equation of line. Find equation of line passing through. Find equation of line passing through 2 comma 2 root 3, 2 comma 2 root 3 point, and inclined with the x-axis and inclined with the x-axis at an angle 75 degrees at an angle 75 degrees. Okay, how to do this question? Angle 75 degrees. Solution. Given point is, I am taking P, that is 2 comma 2 root 3 x1 y1, and angle is theta. Theta is equal to 75 degrees. So if you know angle theta, I am finding slope. Slope m is equal to tan theta. This is a formula already we know. Theta how much? 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees. So what is the value of tan 75? 75 can be written as root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. So finally we know point and slope. If you know point and slope, how to find equation of line? Point slope form. Therefore equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is formula for equation of straight line in point slope form. You know x1, y1 and you know the value of m. Substitute y minus y1 is equal to m is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into x minus x. Now if you simplify, you will get the value root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1. Here root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2 into root 3 plus 1. Simplify. Root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 2 just 6. Minus of minus plus 2 root 3 into 1, 2 root 3. Here root 3 plus 1 into x. So here what you will get? Minus 2 into root 3, minus 2 root 3, minus 2 into 1, minus 1. Okay. Now simplify. Take this value that side. Root 3 plus 1 into x. This plus value go to that side. Root 3 minus 1 into y. This plus 2 root 3 go to that side, minus 2 root 3. This plus 6 go to that side, sir, minus 6 go to that side, plus 6. 6 minus 2, that is nothing but 4. 2 root 3, 2 root 3. So here already 2 root 3 is there. One more 2 root 3 is there. Now what will get? 2 root 3, 2 root 3, that is nothing but 4 root 3. Okay. Now minus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. If you want, you can take 4 common in this step. This is question number 4 in exercise 10.2. Okay. Next. Students, here I wrote the answer directly. If you want, you simplify this one and subtract from 32. Definitely you will get answer minus 459.4 only. Okay. Next, fifth question. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of the origin, with slope -2. So listen. Find the equation of line intersecting x-axis at a distance of 3 units left of the origin. So 3 units left of the origin means I will take diagram. This is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is origin. Left of the origin means we need to take here 3 units left means that is -3. Understood? That is -3. So find the equation of line intersecting x-axis of 3 units to the left of the origin with slope -2. That's right. This is line L. This line intersecting x-axis 3 units left of the origin. This is point P. Now P is equal to the point -3, 0. Why? Because this P point lies on which axis? X-axis. Okay. Now this is x1, y1. Given slope is equal to -2. Slope is denoted with m. Finally, we know point and slope. We can use point slope form. Therefore, equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute y minus y1 means 0, that equals to m into x minus x1 means -3, already minus is there, plus 3. Then y is equal to -2 into x minus 2x, -2 into 3 minus 6. Send these two values to the left side. The -2x come to this side, plus 2x plus y. The -6 come to this side, plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of straight line. Next, sixth question. Find equation of line intersecting y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin, and making an angle an angle 30 degrees with positive direction of the x-axis. So this is a question. Find the equation of straight line which intersects y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin. Solution. First I will draw the diagram. This is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is 0. 2 units above the origin. So these are the 2 units above the origin. And makes angle 30 degrees. And makes angle 30 degrees. This is a rough diagram. Okay. Given theta is equal to 30 degrees. I am finding slope. Slope m is equal to tan theta. That is m is equal to tan 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. See, this line cuts which axis? Y axis. This line cuts y axis means this is which intercept? Y intercept. Given y intercept is equal to 2, because this is intercept on which axis? Y axis. Y intercept is denoted with C. So finally we know m value and C value. Now equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. We know m, we know c. Substitute. Y equals to m is nothing but 1 by root 3 into x plus 2. If you take LCM, y is equal to x plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Cross multiply. Root 3 y is equal to x plus 2 root 3. The y term go to that side becomes minus, then x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is required equation of straight line. Okay. This question we can solve in one more method also. So same here, up to here same. Instead of taking y intercept, then the point this is 0 comma 2. Why? Because this point lies on which axis? Y axis. Finally we know point and we know slope. Then which form I can use? Point slope form. See, listen. Equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x. Then this is x1 y1. Substitute y minus 2 is equal to m. Already we got how much? 1 by root 3 into x minus x1. Cross multiply. Root 3 into y. Root 3 into 2. 2 root 3, that is equal to x. Then you send that side, x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. You will get same answer. After this step, either you go for this method or you go for this method, which is easy for you, you can apply. Understood? But up to here compulsory same. After this step you can write this part, or after this step you can write this part. Both are correct. Okay. Next. But you write only one method. Up to here compulsory you write You draw the diagram. If you felt this is easy, you write this. If you felt this is easy, you can write this. Okay. Next, 7th question already I gave homework. Eighth question. Find equation of line. Find equation of line comma the perpendicular distance from origin is 5 units and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degrees. Already this model question we discussed in exam. Find the equation of line. The perpendicular distance from origin to the line is 5 units. You draw a diagram. First you take the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, and this is origin. This is any straight line. From origin you draw a perpendicular. This distance is how much? 5. And this perpendicular makes an angle with x-axis, that is how much? 30 degrees. Okay, given P is equal to 5 and alpha is equal to 30. I am applying normal form. Equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. That is x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to 5. We know cos 30 value root 3 by 2. We know sin 30 value 1 by 2, that equals to 5. If you take LCM, 2 is a LCM. Root 3 into x, root 3x plus 1 into y, y is equal to 5. Cross multiply, 2 5 just 10. Therefore, the answer root 3x plus y is equal to 10. This plus 10 come to this side, it becomes minus 10. Therefore, answer root 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the straight line. Next, we will discuss question number 9. The vertices of triangle PQR, are first point P 2, 1, Q minus 2, 3 and R 4, 5. P point given, Q point given, R point given. Find the equation of median through the vertex R. Find the equation of median find the equation of median through the vertex capital R. Okay, first you draw the diagram, triangle diagram. P, Q, R. We need to find the equation of median to the vertex R. This is called median. This S is midpoint of Q and P. So P point already we know 2, 1. Q point already we know -2, 3. R point already we know 4, 5. We need to find this median. Median always bisects the opposite side. So this bisects the opposite side means this is the midpoint of P and Q. S is the midpoint of PQ. We know midpoint formula. S is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is midpoint formula. Means here what is x1 minus 2 plus here 2 by 2. Next y1 plus y2 by 2. What is y1? 3 plus 1 by 2. Now simplify, therefore S is equal to -2 plus 2, that is 0 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. 0 by 2, that is nothing but 0. 4 by 2, that is nothing but 2. Finally, we know S point. Already R is given. So finally we know R and S. How many points? 2 points. If you know 2 points, which formula we are using? 2-point formula. Therefore R is equal to 4, 5. S is equal to 0, 2. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now equation of RS is, what is 2-point formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Substitute y minus 5 by 2 minus 5, that is minus 3, that equals to x minus 4 by x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. Minus gets cancelled. Cross multiply. Here I am doing the continuation here. 4 into y minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 4. 4 into y, 4y, 4 5 just 20. 3 into x, 3x, 3 4 just 12. Then 4y is equal to 3x minus 12. This minus 20 go to that side, plus 20. Then 4y is equal to 3x, 20 minus 12, that is nothing but 8. Now send plus 4y that side, it becomes minus. Therefore the final answer is 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the median from the vertex capital R.